The 55 Vincent Black Knight. It's black too, man. You can't even see it. See if I can get a better shot of it on the other side. Hold on. That's a crazy bike, man. Just all enclosed with that crazy straight up and down fairing. The windscreen probably works pretty good though. Wasn't a very fast bike for Vincent. I think top speeds are like 90 or 100. Well, 1,000. I think there were 1,000 cc's, if I'm not mistaken. Like 998 or something. Nice dash. I like big dashes on old bikes like that. Big giant car dash. It's cool. I definitely wouldn't mind owning it. I'd ride it. You know, people go, oh, why would you ride something so rare? I like riding. I ride everything. I don't care what it's worth. I'm gonna ride it. It's not a motorcycle if you can't ride it. It's just artwork. I don't collect artwork. I don't want artwork. Nice looking matchless. 62. A good looking bike. Thumper though. Okay. This is, earlier I was talking about the difference between a pre-unit bike, British bike. So you hear that term pre-unit. So if you don't know British bikes, this is not a pre-unit. This is complete engine, transmission, all in one. No, it ain't. This is a pre-unit too. Sorry. Here we go. This is engine, transmission, all one. This is a modern day. It's not a good example to show you. See if I can find a good example. Anyway, pre-unit means engine and transmission are two separate pieces. They're not connected. They're connected by a primary chain on the other side. So you have a transmission here, engine here. Then this side is a primary chain with a clutch and connecting the engine to the transmission. I prefer pre-units because if something goes bad, it's easy to work on. You can pull the engine without messing with transmission. Most bikes, the weak link is the transmission. So the transmission goes bad, you can just pull it right out of there. On a normal bike, you have to split the engine cases. I'll see if I can find one like this. If this transmission goes bad, you have to take this engine out, split the cases in half, and then pull all the transmission parts out. No fun. I prefer the pre-unit. But no one makes pre-units anymore. I don't know why. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is my opinion, so take it or leave it. Thanks for watching. Hit that share button for me, man. I can't stress that enough. It really helps me because Facebook, I don't know why, they don't like people seeing motorcycle videos. I got 600,000 followers. Don't let 600 people see the video. So, all right, guys, thanks. Appreciate it. See you.